Hi, this is Cassie and a very warm welcome to my channel. And before I could begin this video, I would like to go ahead and wish you all a very happy new year. It's 2023. May this new year brings in a lot of good health and I hope you do well mentally, physically and emotionally. Now moving on to the video, I went to IKEA and IKEA was on my wish list and I never visited IKEA. I have no products from IKEA. This was my first time that I visited IKEA and I absolutely loved it. I did go with my family, I mean like my mom and dad, and I visited IKEA. Even my dad wanted to go ahead and just see what exactly is the hype about. Truly speaking, we all loved visiting IKEA. It was a different experience altogether. However, I have gone ahead and got few things from IKEA. There's a huge bag from IKEA and then there are few more products that are laying on the ground, which I'm gonna go ahead and show to you in a while. Truly speaking, I did not get a lot of expensive stuffs. I was not looking for any furnitures, and B, I don't have that kind of money. I will try to leave a link of all the products in the description box below. So if this is something that interests you, then make sure that you watch the video till the end. Also, if you are someone who is new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. And also don't forget to press the bell icon right besides the subscribe button, because that is how you will get notified every time I upload a video and you don't miss out on my videos. And now, without any further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. So the first product that I got from IKEA is this one. This is a pack of 3 loofahs and the quality of the loofah is really good. It is soft and again it is it's dense and I'm sure this is gonna lather really good. So these are the 3 loofahs that you get in here. The next product that I got is this stand kind of a situation, and this is something that you can keep your, like for example, if you read books, you can keep your books. My mom took this because so that we can go ahead and keep the Bible on this. It's like a regular stand, nothing fancy. Next product that I got is this tissue stand holder, and it's a very sturdy tissue holder, and this is what the tissue holder looks like. It's a metal tissue holder, and the flower design is something that caught my eye. There was one more in golden, but it was not in this particular design, so I ditched that. Alright, so the next product is a very random purchase, and this is not something that I picked up. This is something that my mom picked up, and this is a Tiffin box. It is such a cute Tiffin box. It's like a doggy Tiffin, like a regular Tiffin box. The only thing that makes it so cute is this doggy face. So these ones are actually a very random purchase, and I'm talking about this plate sets, and these are plastic plates. However, they are so colorful. I loved the color and hence I got this. And again, these ones are in some pastel colors. So these are some pastel colored plates that I got, and it's a very good quality plastic. I won't say it's cheap at all. And again, it has a good amount of space in here because of this curve that they have over here. Matching to this, I even got a set of spoons. This only retailed for 19 rupees. Again, randomly I picked up this particular glass set. Again, it's a plastic glass set, and there are 6 glasses in here. I can have my food or breakfast aesthetically. And I also got a matching spoon to this particular set as well. Alright, there is one more very random purchase that my dad or my mom just picked it up and put it in the bag, and that is this set. The MRP of this product is 139. Again, I paid less than 139 for this. So that's for the kitchen stuff. Okay, so now coming to something that I personally love having, and that is coffee. So I got myself this particular cup and saucer set, which is actually so cute. It is very tiny, and I have seen this been used by the people in Turkey. I have been watching this serial called Senkal Kapimi, which is actually dubbed in Hindi, and the serial name is Dastak on YouTube. So I saw them having a good cup of coffee in coffee mugs which are so tiny, so hence I said, you know what, let me also get my hands on this. I can have my espresso, very light espresso in here, and I can just sip on some coffee and I can watch some Turkish drama. So the next product again which is related to coffee is a coffee frother, and I had only one coffee frother which was from Amazon, and it is actually spoiled. It's not working anymore, and I thought, you know what, it's time for me to get a new frother. And again, this retails for 173. However, I just got this for 99 rupees. Moving on to the next product, these are two what do you call this? It's like an organizational product. My mom took it so that she can put the plant pots in this, the tiny artificial plant pots or flower pots, the artificial flower pots, and this looks so good. You can also keep tissues in here or pens or makeup brushes, whatever you want to. So the next product that I got is something for my room that I can use for my room, is this potpourri. I haven't yet opened this up. Still, it is smelling so good, and it comes in this very pretty brown dusky pink flower petals, and I'm sure this is gonna make my room smell really good. So now again, there is something that I got which is actually a home decor piece, and this is a lantern. It's such a pretty lantern. Do you see this? It is so gorgeous. You can just keep your tea light candle in here and you can just let this burn. It's a very good quality product, I would say. So only 3 products. So the third last product is this. I got this frames for my wall. It's not very heavy duty, but again, for 149 you cannot expect more than this. Let me just go ahead and show. I got 3 frames. I also have one more frame which I have actually tried, and this is what it looks like, and I have added this particular picture in here. So that's for the frames. Now moving on to some heavy products. This is a stool that I got, metal stool, and again, it's of good quality, I won't deny. And it was only for 349 rupees. So this is what it looks like. So these are all the screws in here, the products that you need to fix this or assemble this. So the next product that I got is this chair situation, and they come with this screws and all of the products to assemble this. For this chair retails for 840 rupees, which I think is absolutely inexpensive considering the fact that this is a very sturdy product. I mean, it's not flimsy. The products in IKEA are actually very sturdy and very systematic, I would say. So hence I went ahead and I got myself this white chair, and I cannot wait to use this, and I will have to go ahead and assemble this one. Okay, so with that, I end my IKEA haul here. So these are all the products that I actually got from IKEA, and it was a very good day. My first day of 2023 went so well. I'm so grateful for it, and I did do a little bit of damage to my pocket, but it's all worth it in the end. So that is all I have for you today in this video, and I hope you liked watching this video, and if you did like it, then please give this video a thumbs up. It will mean a lot to me, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, peace and love to you all. Bye.